Very good morning, cadets. Today, let us take the task of completing chapter based question answers in chapter number 4, Mughal Empire. We studied in detail about Mughal Empire. Now, we'll go through the test based questions. We have set of questions which is called let us recall, let us discuss in detail, in brief. Question number 1 in let us recall. Match the following: Mansab, Mongol, Sisodia Rajput, Rato Rajput, Noor Jahan, Subedar. In the box 2, Marwar, Governor, Uzbek, Mewar, rank, Jahangir. This is matched one. That means arranged correctly according to the answer. So Mansabdar, what is a Mansabdar? Mansabdar is a rank. Mansabdari is a rank. Mongols and Uzbeks, they are the invaders. Sisodia Rajput belongs to Mewar. Rato Rajput belongs to Marwar. Noor Jahan, Jahangir. Subhadar is governor. Subhadar is governor. Okay. Let us move to the next activity, that is fill in the blanks. Cadets, take your pen and write down the question and answers related to chapter number 4. Fill in the blanks. Question A. The capital of Mirza Hakim, Akbar's half brother, was dash. B. The 5 Deccan Sultanates were Berar, Khandesh, Ahmadnagar, dash and dash. C. If Zat determined a Mansabdar's rank and salary, Sawar indicates his. You have to write answer dash. D. Abul Fazl, Akbar's friend and a counselor, helped him frame the idea of dash so he could govern a society composed of many religion, culture and caste. Try to get the answers. Okay, I'll display the answer for you. The capital of Mirza Hakim, Akbar's half brother, was Kabul. The 5 Deccan Sultanates were Berar, Khandesh, Ahmadnagar, Bijapur and Golconda. Bijapur is also one of the offshoots of Bahmanis, that is Deccan Sultanates, Bahmanis. If Zat determined the Mansabdar's rank and salary, Sawar indicates the number of cavalrymen. It's number of cavalrymen. Fourth, Abul Fazl, Akbar's friend and counselor, helped him to frame the idea of dash what? Sulh-i-Kul, so that he governed the society composed of many religion and culture and the caste. So the 4 answer for fill in the blanks: Kabul, second Bijapur and Golconda, third number of cavalrymen, fourth idea of Sulh-i-Kul. What is Sulh-i-Kul? Meaning of Sulh-i-Kul? Yeah, meaning of Sulh-i-Kul is universal peace. That is the meaning of Sulh-i-Kul. So write down both answers as well as question. That as I told, write down. Hope you are following me. Okay. If you have completed this, let us move to the next, that is question number 3. Question number 3. What were the central provinces under the control of Mughals? So, which were the provinces which were under the control of Mughals? Answer: the central provinces under the control of Mughals were Lahore, Panipat, Delhi, Mathura, Agra, Ajmer, Marwar, Mewar, Deccan, and Chittor. So, Mughals predominantly controlled a large territory, and these were the centers of the provinces which were under the control of Mughal kingdom for a long period of time. That's why you can find lot of monuments in these places, historical monuments. Hope you have completed. Okay, let us move to question number 4. What was the relationship between Mansabdar and Jagirdar or Jagir? Answer: Mansabdar received their salary as a revenue assignments called Jagirs. Revenue assignments is nothing but land given to a particular person so that he earn income from that particular land in the form of revenue or by collecting tax. Mansabdars did not actually reside or administer their Jagirs. They served in some other part of the country while the revenue was collected by them for by the servants. So Jagirs is a piece of land. Mansabdar is a person who collected revenue from Jagirs. Hope you have completed question number 4. Let us move to question number 5. Question number 5. What was the role of the Zamindar in Mughal administration? What was the role of the Zamindar in the Mughal administration? Answer: role of Zamindar in Mughal administration. Point number 1. Zamindars were local headmen of village or powerful chieftains appointed by the Mughal emperor. 2. They played a role of source in running administration of the Mughals. Third, they collected tax on the produce of peasantry, which was the main source of income available to Mughal rulers. Point number 4. In some areas, the zamindars exercised a great deal of power, and sometimes zamindars and peasants of the same caste allied in rebelling against the Mughal authority. Means in some places they exercised a greater power and authority. As a result, the zamindars were really enjoying their power during the Mughal period. So that is question number 5. Hope you have written. Let us move to the question number 6. How were the debates with the religious scholars important in the formation of Akbar's idea of governance? Answer: Akbar's interaction with the people of different faith made him realize that the religious scholars who emphasized religious ritual and dogma were often bigots. Means those who say that our religion is superior, they are not the real worshippers of the god. That is what Akbar understood after discussion with the several religious leaders. Second, the teaching by different religious scholars created division and disharmony amongst his subjects. Third, this led the idea of Sulhi Kul or universal peace, which means tolerance and not to discriminate people between different religions during his period. That is during his realm or regime. Fourth, they framed a vision of governance around the idea of Sulhi Kul, focused on a system of ethics, honesty, justice, peace, which was universally applicable. So they framed a vision of governance around the idea of Sulhi Kul, focused on a system of ethics, honesty, justice, peace, which is universally acceptable or applicable. No problem. Fifth, this system of governments was later followed by whom? By Jahangir as well as Shah Jahan. Hope you have completed writing. So, cadets, let us quickly go through what you have written till now. Okay. So we wrote answer to, that is match the following. We also completed answer for fill in the blanks. Go through once again. Answer to the filling the blanks, that is the capital of Mirza Hakim was Kabul. Please check once again. 5 kingdoms: Ahmadnagar, Khandesh, Bijapur, Golconda. Mansabdar's rank is equal to number of cavalrymen. Abul Fazl's friend, they are the people who started the idea of Sulhi Kul. What are the major central provinces under the control of Mughals? Lahore, Panipat, Delhi, Mathura, Agra, Ajmer, Marwar, Mewar, Deccan and Chittor. So we have completed the relationship between Mansabdar and Jagirdar. Also we have completed role of Zamindars during Mughal Empire. Zamindars were the local headmen or the chieftains who were appointed by the Mughal Emperor. Zamindars played a role of source of running administration to the Mughals. Zamindars collected tax on the produce from the farmers, which was the main source of income for the Mughals. In some areas, Zamindars exercised great deal of power, and sometimes Zamindars and peasants of same caste allied or joined together and rebelled against the Mughals. Sixth, we studied about Akbar's administration and how Akbar was successful in appreciating the idea of Sulhi Kul, which is called universal peace. So Akbar's interaction with the different faiths made him realize that the religious scholars' emphasis of dogmas were there often bigots. The idea of Sulhi Kul or universal peace discriminate people. There is no need to discriminate people on the basis of religion. They also framed the vision of Sulhi Kul, focused on the system of ethics, honesty, justice, peace, which is universally applicable. What do you mean by universally applicable? Means irrespective of any religion, all religions accept the idea of ethics, honesty, justice, as well as peace. That is what he said. And finally, the system of governance. Who followed the idea of Sulhi Kul later? It is followed by Jahangir as well as Shah Jahan. So the success of Akbar also followed the idea of Sulhi Kul. So we completed answer for 7 questions. That is 6 questions. Leftover we will continue tomorrow. Please write down all these answers because that will definitely help you to write exam confidently. That is periodic test, let it be monthly test. I hope you are all happy and safe. Please take care of yourself. Be happy, be safe, and be happy in your homes. I'll meet you in the next class with one more video related to question and answers. Till then, take care. Wish you a wonderful day. Take care.